Hi and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm your host Frank. That's right, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Today we'll be making my signature cocktail, the Rum-Didily-Umptious. This is a cocktail I came up with a few years ago for a cocktail contest here in Baton Rouge. Didn't win, but I did place third with it, which wasn't bad because it was my first cocktail contest. And third seems to be a consistent place where I've been with most of these cocktail contests I go with. I usually place with them. But this is the Rum-Didily-Umptious. This basically came across as a spin on my margarita that I made for my wife years ago when I first got started with this low carb cocktail stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and make the Rum-Didily-Umptious. I've been getting a lot of comments on Instagram about this because I posted it a few times. People want the recipe. I posted it, and I did an older video. It looks like shit. You can probably go still see that right here. Since then, I've upgraded my equipment, better lighting, better audio. Not a lot better, but somewhat better. So let's go ahead and get this started. Start with a tin and some ice. In a small tin, we're gonna add 2 ounces of rum. I'm using Sugarfield's rum. This is an amazing local rum. You can check out my review video right here. What I think about their rum, it's Rum-Didily-Umptious. Yeah, pun intended. So we're gonna go with 2 ounces of Sugarfield's rum. What I like about this rum is a really strong vanilla note. It's not a strong vanilla taste to it. It's more along that almost an agricole taste to it. Where it's a little more earthy, a little more grassy kind of thing. So we have 2 ounces of our rum. From here, we're gonna go with 1 ounce of a simple syrup. And this is our erythritol. No, I'm sorry, I use xylitol. And I just spilled that everywhere. This is, yeah, I've been drinking a little bit today. So that's 1 ounce of our simple syrup. Xylitol, 0 grams of carbs. If you're using xylitol, make sure you keep it away from your pets because it is toxic. And my dogs found some ice I dropped apparently. 1 ounce of lime juice. We're gonna go with 3 dashes of orange bitters. And this is kind of the base of my old margarita that I first came out with as a low carb cocktail guy. Tequila, lime juice, little simple syrup to make it sweet, and orange bitters because it was easy. So 3 dashes of orange bitters. Next is what really takes it to the next level, in my opinion, is diet cranberry juice. Ocean Spray has, what's that thing? 2 grams of carbs? Yes, 2 grams of carbs per 8 ounces. This uses 1 ounce, so it's 0.25 grams of carbs. A 1/4 gram of carbs in our lime juice, because we're only using 1 ounce. All right, so from here, combine all that with our ice, give that a good shake. And in a glass, we'll get some fresh ice. And we will strain this in there. Yep, my dogs found my ice. And we'll garnish that with a half orange wheel. And there you have the award-winning, 3rd place, good enough, Rum-Didily-Umptious. If Sugarfields wants to put this on their new cocktail menu, I would not argue about it. Oh, that's absolutely delicious. Because what I like about Sugarfields, it's not overly sweetened, meaning they do not add sugar. There's a lot of brands on the market that do add sugar after distillations. Sugarfield is not one of them. So what you get in the bottle is straight out of the still. Wonderful, wonderful product. And I really think that this makes one of the best Rum-Didily-Umptious I've ever had. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because I'm shooting, with this coronavirus stuff going on, I'm shooting videos all day today. See y'all later.